Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing two new items from Nordstrom. So I have a new bag from Strathberry and some new sandals for the spring slash summer from Gucci that I'm very excited to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in and start with the new bag. So as y'all know, this is now my fourth Strathberry purchase. I've been hooked, to be completely honest. I'm absolutely in love with the brand and everything that I've purchased so far from them. If you saw my wish list video, I was going to get the Gucci Super Mini Marmont, and then I just decided that, I don't know, I wasn't 100% in love with it. And I just started looking around, and then at one point I was debating on getting the Louis Vuitton Felicie, and so I started putting more money aside towards that, and I don't know, I just couldn't pull the trigger on them. I honestly think I was only buying them for the name and not, I don't know, I like the bags, but I just didn't think I loved them. And so I just started looking at different options and just really fell in love with Strathberry, and especially after that first one came in and I just was obsessed with the quality. That kind of sold me. And so I was actually able to get 3 essentially bags for the price of the Felicie, and so it just worked out. And then I just bought the tote that y'all, which was the most recent unboxing before this. But yeah, I am really happy with my decision too, because now I have 3 different options that I really love. They're a lot larger and they're such great quality. And so as y'all know, my first bag from Strathberry was the East West Mini in Vanilla Croc, and absolutely obsessed with it. I've used it a few times since I got it already. And so I wanted to get something a little more casual for everyday use and for an upcoming trip. And so I decided to get the chestnut option. So this one's definitely more casual, of course, than the Croc. You can still dress the Croc a little bit more casual, but I'm obsessed with the color, but really felt like this works for every day as well. I love the bags that you get. These are the dust bags. They're like little totes, and so they're shaped to the bag that you purchase, and really love the dust bag. Really just love the overall quality. So I think this bag is absolutely stunning. This is the first time I'm looking at it with you guys. The leather is incredible. This is 100% calfskin leather. You have a microfiber lining with this bag. Here, let's stick with the exterior first. So you have Strathberry on the front, their signature bar. I love the minimal design, but you still know by the bar that it's a Strathberry, which is also labeled on the ends. The chain is gorgeous. It's a thick chain, and it's definitely shaped differently than most chains. It's a lot thicker, which I love. You have a magnetic closure, so the bar is really more decorative, and then it lifts up, and then you can open it. And then here is the interior. Again, that microfiber lining, which is very, very beautiful. I just love the quality of the interior of these bags. I've also, in my first East West Mini unboxing, mentioned that I love the structure of these bags. So most bags that have a convertible chain, because you can use this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody, these chains are always attached just to the top of the bag, so sometimes they can pop open if there's too much in your bag. What I love about this brand is that they actually loop it through the bag itself, so that way there's no pressure or weight on the lid of the bag, which I think is just a very, very smart design. Because like with your Saint Laurent, what is it, toy pouch, or Lulu, or your Tory Burch Kira, you have the design where this is here, and so if it's too busy, sometimes it can pop, or I'm sorry, not too busy. If it's too full, it can pop right open. So I love that they did this, because then there's no weight on the top of the bag. So it doesn't matter what you have in here, it'll close perfectly every time, as long as you're not, overfilling it. But it has nothing to do with the strap. So I really love that. And then it doesn't take up room. You can still fit a lot in here because of the divider. But yeah, you have one long pocket here. These bags are made in Spain and they're beautifully crafted. I love the quality. It's always like a thick leather on every single bag. I honestly put this brand on par with Saint Laurent, and y'all know Saint Laurent's my favorite brand. I just think the quality is incredible. And I'm just really excited to use this as an everyday crossbody. For dimensions on this bag, it is 7 1/4 inches in width, 5 1/4 inches in height, and then 3 1/4 inches in depth. The drap strap is 11 3/4 like this, or if you want to do the crossbody, it's 21.34. So definitely have all the options, and again, just in love with this overall. So yeah, this is the Strathberry East West Mini in the chestnut. And then to go with it, I wanted to get a new pair of sandals. So we have a new pair of sandals from Gucci. So let's put this in. A pair of Gucci sandals, either last year or the year before, and I wasn't a fan. I put them on my Mrs. Videos. When I do my hits and misses videos, I got the T-strap sandals is how Nordstrom calls them. I think they're just monogram sandals at Gucci, but it's the like thong style with the double G's. I'll try and put a photo in here if I can remember, but the leather just wears so easily. And so I still love Gucci shoes, right? Like I still love my sneakers. I still wear those sandals. I still like them. I just don't recommend them because of the wear. But I wanted to try something else. So this is a different style, and I don't think you would have that issue with these. So let's go ahead and open her up. All right, so we have the Gucci Interlocking G cutout slide sandal in Cure, I think it's how you pronounce it. It's Cure leather, so C-U-I-R. I might be pronouncing that wrong. More than likely pronouncing that wrong, leather. And I feel like I've never seen these. And then when I was looking, but I know that they've been around because I've saw so many reviews on Nordstrom's website. But I think I've probably seen them just in different colors. Like they have dual color tones with like pink, blue, green, yellow, and then just like regular green, full yellow. And so maybe I've just always seen those and never really looked at it. But when I was browsing, just trying to find a new pair of sandals, these popped up in this exact color. And I knew I just got the Strathberry tote that y'all saw. I was also ordering this because I ordered these on the same day. And also use a double point stay on my Nordstrom card, so really looking forward to that. But I knew I wanted this color. I also wear a lot of black just year round, and then in the summer I sometimes wear a little bit more white. So I knew that this color goes with like any outfit. I won't have to worry about, you know, choosing between black or white. And I just love this color overall. Like I have a lot of shoes in this color, but I'm really excited for this. I really want to try these out. I was initially going to get another pair of Tory Burch Millers, but again, my leather ones just didn't hold up. Same with like the Gucci sandals that I mentioned earlier, my first pair that I purchased. And so what I love about these is that they have the lining here and a cushion, so these will definitely be more supportive, but you won't see the leather crack because you have this support here. I highly doubt it will either because it's just a different base. Like you have lining everywhere. There's a lot of support. What I also like about these is that there's somewhat of a little heel, so it makes it a little bit more like elevated. I know it's like a very popular word we'd like to use now. So it does elevate the style of the sandal. I don't like normal slides. I think this little heel just makes these a little bit more classier than regular slides. And I really love this style. I also just like the G because I feel like it's a really cute design. And honestly, I know if I would see this like in person, not in person, but like, you know, if I was just like walking and I saw these on someone, now I would know that it's Gucci, but I feel like just with how it's shaped, I wouldn't be able to tell that it's the Gucci logo. Personally, I don't know. I don't think I would have like cap got that it's like an interlocking G. It just looks like a really cute design in my opinion. But I did just get glasses, so maybe that's why. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these. Again, 0.4 heel height, flat. These are made in Italy. You have the lining and some cushion, which is really nice. And yeah, I'm really just, I love this little combo. I think these are so cute. I'm really excited to wear these. As y'all know too, I live in Texas, so I can wear these pretty much year round, which is really nice. But I'm really excited to style these for spring and summer. And yeah, other than that, that is my double unboxing from Strathberry and Gucci. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.